If people are adding products to cart but not completing checkout, you're not just losing sales, you're losing buyers who already showed interest. That's why abandoned cart recovery is one of the highest impact automations for any e-commerce store. In this video, I'll show you how to recover abandoned carts in WordPress using FluentCart as your store and FluentCRM as your follow-up engine. Here's how it works. FluentCart tracks the cart activity. Someone starts checkout, then leaves before completing the order. FluentCRM automatically detects that behavior through the abandoned cart module and triggers the follow-up exactly how you set it. The best part? You set it up once, and it keeps working in the background. So let's do it. So first, go to FluentCRM settings and open the abandoned cart section. Enable the abandoned cart module. Then activate abandoned cart tracking for FluentCart. This allows FluentCRM to track carts created in FluentCart and identify them as recoverable when customers leave without completing checkout. Then, keep these options enabled for order statuses like completed, processing, and on hold. This matters because when a customer returns and places their order, FluentCRM automatically detects that the cart has been recovered and immediately stops sending them abandoned cart emails. Next up, timing. The cutoff time decides how long FluentCRM waits before calling a cart abandoned. In this setup, it's 30 minutes. So if someone leaves the cart and does not complete the order within 30 minutes, FluentCRM marks that cart as abandoned. Now, we have mark as lost after. Here it's set to 10 days. That means if the customer still does not place an order within 10 days, the cart is marked as lost. And then there's the cool-off period. This prevents FluentCRM from tracking the same customer again immediately after they place an order. That's useful because you don't want to trigger abandoned cart tracking too aggressively for customers who just bought from you. If the contact is not available in your customer database, you can set the contact status to subscribed or transactional. For privacy-focused stores, GDPR consent can also be enabled to display a cart tracking notice during checkout. You can also mark cart abandoners as transactionals to avoid sending accidental marketing emails. And, if needed, tracking can be excluded for roles like admins, shop managers, or internal testing accounts to keep abandoned tracking accurate. Now, here's where FluentCRM becomes powerful. When a cart is marked as abandoned, FluentCRM can automatically add the contact to a list and even apply a tag on autopilot. For example, you can add them to a list called abandoned cart, or apply a tag like cart abandoned. That can instantly trigger your recovery automation. And once the customer completes the purchase, those tags are removed automatically. Similarly, you can make the customers a part of a different list and tags when a cart is lost. This will help you run a different follow-up campaign for those lost deals later. Everything looks great. Now, let's save the settings. Now, let's see what actually happens when someone abandons a cart. Here's my online store. When a customer adds a product to their cart and moves on to checkout, they provide their details to complete the process. Now, if they leave without placing the order, FluentCRM detects it automatically. Let's see that. FluentCRM has a dedicated section for tracking abandoned carts. Open it, and right away, you'll get a snapshot of your abandoned cart stats. And the customers who abandoned the cart automatically appear over here. You can see the customer details, cart total, status, and even the time the cart is abandoned. For more context around the customer journey, click on the 3 dots and go to View Cart. This will give a complete snapshot of customer details. You can even copy the recovery link to communicate with customers from there. All of this is designed to help you track better, plan better, and recover more revenue. Now, if you run an online business, this is a common scenario. Someone starts checkout, then leaves. So the next question becomes, what happens next? Using FluentCRM, you can automate the entire recovery funnel. But a good abandoned cart flow isn't random. It usually follows a simple structure. First, just remind them. Then, reduce hesitation. And only after that, offer an incentive if needed. Let's build it. First of all, go to the automation panel. Then, start with a new automation. FluentCRM has some pre-built templates that can be really helpful in some scenarios. But for now, let's get back to the triggers. FluentCRM has a built-in trigger for FluentCart abandoned carts. So, the moment a cart is abandoned, the automation starts. First step, send a simple reminder email. No pressure, no discount, just a helpful nudge. And make sure you include the direct checkout link via shortcode because if they have to search for that, you'll lose them again. Sending only one reminder is better than nothing, but many customers need more than one touchpoint. So add a delay, let's say 24 hours. Then bring in a second email. This one is different. It's not just a reminder, it's a hesitation breaker. Maybe they were unsure. Maybe they had doubts. Maybe they just needed more clarity. So explain the value again. The goal here isn't pressure, it's clarity. And if they still don't convert, add one more delay and send a final reminder. This is where you can introduce an incentive if needed. A coupon, free shipping, flat discount, or a limited time offer. But don't start with discounts, because if you do, you train users to abandon carts just to get a better deal. So keep the flow clean. Reminder, clarity, and then incentive. All right, everything's set. You may not want to run the automation even after someone purchased the product. This is where FluentCRM goal comes in. Just add a goal for the automation and done. Add the goal here, otherwise, the automation keeps sending emails even after the recovery happens. And from here on, FluentCRM will automatically handle abandoned carts and bring customers back without you lifting a finger. And that's the full framework. So if your WordPress store is getting traffic but not enough completed orders, don't just hope people come back later. You need a system that tracks abandoned carts, send timely personalized emails, and actually measure what brings people back. And the best part? With FluentCart and FluentCRM, you can build all of this inside WordPress. No need for separate SaaS tools. FluentCart runs your store, FluentCRM handles your follow-ups. Together, they help you turn lost sales into recovered revenue. If you want to try, check the links in the description. And if this video helped, hit like, subscribe to WPManageNinja, and let us know in the comments. Are you already using cart recovery or still letting those sales slip away? See you in the next one.